Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol RCHA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. First thing I'll point out is just down here, all the volume that came in today. When you look back here through the history of the chart, you can see that the chart has had some volume in the past, no doubt about it. But as far as consistency, definitely most consistent today compared to all these other past days. Again, there's been some volume surges, but consistency is the key. Definitely most consistent today. So, and in the world of penny stocks, volume is always a very important thing. So let's first start by mapping out some levels of support. Then we can talk about some areas of resistance. First area of support is what I would call the ideal level. Meaning if you say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be right down here at 0035. So 0035, now don't get me wrong, if the price falls below it, by no means am I saying that the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can stay up above it, that would certainly be a great sign of power going forward. The bears have actually already once tried to press down through it. You can see right there, but the bulls did a great job of holding strong. Also over here, some price congestion around the area. So if this can continue to happen, like I said, from the big picture perspective, that would definitely be the biggest sign of strength. Now taking a step back and looking at kind of the grand scheme of it all, that's where this purple line here comes into play. Now I realize that the purple line is way down there and the price, is way up there, but that is a 50-period simple moving average. Keyword there being moving. So as time goes by, this line is just going to keep on moving its way upwards and looking something like that. So from, really the true grand scheme of things, a very cut and dry way to measure the health of the move. This, of course, being defined as the move. So the easiest way to gauge the overall health, simply put, as long as the price is above that purple line moving forward, then the bulls are in full control, full health. No questions asked. Now, what about areas of resistance? If this move is going to fight upwards, where are some of these battlegrounds at? First area of resistance, and really the only one I'm going to talk about, and I'll explain that in a second, right up here at 0055. In my opinion, that's kind of definitely the key point of price congestion. You can see all sorts of price history right up around that area. So that's where the sellers are currently hanging out at. But the reason I'm just talking about one level of resistance is, in my opinion, breaking levels of resistance, not really a top priority right now. Top priority is just go through a healthy consolidation, build some higher bases, because as long as there's higher bases being built over time, then the long-term chart will take care of itself. So very nice move today. We'll see if the bulls can build upon this momentum or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.